सगळ्यांना माझा नमस्कार. काय बोलू मी महाराष्ट्राची मुलगी म्हणून मला लावणी करायला खूप आवडते. तुमचे मनोरंजन करायला हे विनोद चोपडा आणि राजेश मापुसकर साहेबाने इथे नमस्कार साहेबांनी मला आमंत्रित केलं आहे. त्यांनी मला विचारलं किती पैसे घेणार. देवा देवा मी सांगितलं काहीच नको, फक्त लोकांचं प्रेम पाहिजे. मिळणार का? ऐकू येत नाही. नाही मिळालं तरी मी सांगीन मला जाऊ दे. मिळालं तरी सांगीन जाऊ दे ग बाई.
अरे काय करतात तुम्ही मैडम जी? समझा नहीं मैडम जी, हिंदी में थोड़ा आप बोलेंगे तो समझाएंगे.
हो ग बाई, फरारी आहे का? नमस्ते, मला जाऊ दे.
भाई लोग यार, मैडम जब ऐसे नहीं जा सकती, एक बार परफॉर्म करके जाइए. आपने तो स्क्रीन
काना खाली वाजवीन तुला.
तुम्ही वाजू मारा मला, पण प्लीज परफॉर्म करा. एक भाई लोग यार क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? डू यू वांट टू वॉच परफॉर्म? अच्छा देखते ये साइड के लोग वॉच आणि हे साइड. अरे झालं.
आता फरारी की सवारी किती बघणार? 200. व्हेरी गुड. मी तुम्हाला एक सीडी पाठवणार. तरी 2 सीडी. थँक यू.
Okay, now we have one more item person, our own, the share of the shares. My producer, my mentor, my inspiration, Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
Wonderful, you are wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. It was absolutely wonderful. But before I say anything, I want to call 2 people. And before I call Preetham, I'm going to call them. The person who wrote the lyrics, Mr. Guru Thakur, and the woman who sang this Urmila. They've done it for the first time, guys. Please give them a big hand. They're somewhere here. And is Urmila here, the singer? Yes, please come here. These are the people. They've done it. They've written outstanding lyrics, and Urmila has sung a song for us for the first time, and I think it's outstanding. This is the kind of talent we have in this country that gets on unnoticed. Well done. Now I'll call Preetham, the man who made them sing and made them write. Would you like to say a few words how horrible and torturing it was for you to work with us?
Well, it was obviously we know this.
मेरे सामने नहीं बोल सकता कुछ.
But I should say, working with Vinod is the institution by himself, and he gets into everything. He knows everything. Starting from lyrics to music and everything he knows. And he has contributed in everything. And Rajesh is a friend, I know him from long time. And when we made this song, this was supposed to be just a thing happening in the background, like a brass band playing for Tatya's marriage, his son's marriage. And then from there, the song started like a very raw Lavani / Koli Geet song. Urmila was called for the authenticity, and Guru wrote that we wanted to keep that rawness in the song. And then Vidya came in and made this like a real big song. You are awesome as ever, all the time, Vidya. So I don't know what to say.
So I think he's done now. So let me call, before I call the big stars, Baman and Sharman, let me call the two people who are now going to take this song far away, otherwise we are going to be watching them. That's Vinod Bhanushaali and Nandu from Eros and T-Series. They should come up because now they are you are going to watch them. If they don't do a good job, these are the faces. We'll find them wherever. And then before I call Sharman and Baman, who are the last people I'll call, I'll want to call the rest of the cast. I believe Pakya is here and Tatya is here. And would you please come up, both of you? And is there anybody else from the cast that I forget? Who's there? Oh, the great actor. I like him immensely. I call him Vilayat, but his name is something else. He's Vilayat in the movie. Yeah, that's Mohan Mama Ka Mama. All these faces who mean very little to you now, after 15th of June, they'll all be stars. Then we'll have to look for them for dates and all that. All of these guys. Beginning from, again, Mohan Mama, I call him Mohan because he's Mohan. I call him Vilayat, he's the character, that's Pakya in the movie. All of them have done exceptionally well as Guru Thakur has done with lyrics, they've done with the words, with the movie. I want to now call Stanley. Stanley, here the choreographer, please. He is the gentleman who choreographed this song for you. Now, huge round of applause because it's one thing to do a easy, filmy, Bollywoodized version of Lavani. And I think it's far more difficult to actually take the authentic Lavani, first of all to compose it, which is what Preetham did a great job, and then to choreograph it so that it's really still authentic Lavani and Koli dance. So really my huge compliments to both of you. Now I think I cannot escape but call Sharman and Baman. You know, Sharman and Baman, these are the stars of our film. You both know Sharman and Baman, but on 16th of June, both of these guys are going to be much taller than they are already very tall, but they're going to go through the roof. The great actors. You know, Baman doesn't believe this, but I have to tell you this, that Baman has worked with us from Munna Bhai MBBS to Lagero Munna Bhai to all the films that VCF have done, Eklavya, Three Idiots. I personally believe, and on 16th of June you can tell me that I was wrong, I believe that his performance in Ferrari Ki Savari is better than all the performances he's done in VCF films till now. And to praise Sharman now, it's too early. You guys watch what this great actor has done and let us know on, now this is a time of tweets and all those things, so please tweet us how good or bad. But I really am so proud of this whole team here. There's one gentleman I'm going to call. This is the last person I'm going to call before I give the mic to Baman and to everybody to say a few words. And that is a man who is, I think, proudest and happiest man in this whole hall today. Much more than me or Rajesh or Vidya or Baman or Sharma or any one of us. And that's the senior Mr. Mapuskar. I would like to call Rajesh Mapuskar's father on stage. He is a very proud man today. Please bring him up, help him. This is a great moment for him that his son from the village ran away. Nobody knew what this son would do. And the son has made an outstanding film. Yeah. Please come here, sir. That's Mr. Senior Mapuskar. What I really love is that with his love and affection, he calls, when he comes to my house or when he talks to Rajesh, he refers to me as Sethachi Gadi, Seth Kuthe Aaye. So the only man who's ever called me a Seth is Mr. Mapuskar. I'm grateful. Now let me give the mic. I'll begin from there. Sharman, would you like to say a few words?
No, all I would like to say actually, the best part of working on this film was on this song. Do I have to state the reasons? Got to sit in my lovely Ferrari, which is a dream car for every young man over generations. And then, to top that, you get to watch Vidya Balan perform to this song, the beautiful, gorgeous Vidya Balan. I'm a huge fan of hers. I've loved her work, and then she does this stellar dance. Wow, what a great time I had filming this song. Just watching you there. Having said that, thank you very much, all of you, for being here this evening. And this is a film that we are all very proud of. And I'm sure this is a film that all of you all will be very proud of and happy of. And you'll be thumping your chest saying that films such as these are made in our country. Thanks to people like Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra and Rajesh Mapuskar, our dynamic director. Over to you, Rajesh. Enough of praise. Praise me now.
I only talk in praise of Vidya, so no comments. Yeah, Baman sir.
What can I say? Apart from being very proud and being in 5 productions in Vidhu Vinod Chopra films, my 5th one, and to share the stage with such unbelievable talent from people who've done work before, to new talent, to a very senior person who comes and blesses us every time on a set. It means so much to us, sir. It means so much. We were doing some interviews the other day, and I was sitting with Sharman, and the interview asked Sharman, so better to talk about, Baman should talk about Sharman's performance, and I praised it a lot. And Sharman talked about Baman's performance. So he said, हाँ, Baman ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, लेकिन विद्या का जो I think that there's a bit of a problem, Sharman. I am a little worried about your wife, Prerna. Your father-in-law is Prem Chopra. If you notice, he comes on stage, talk about the film, he talks about Vidya. And also notice, unless people have got some eyesight problems, see the color of the t-shirt he's wearing?
This indicates several things.
I am really worried.
Sorry to cut you there.
The
theme of the song, of course, it indicates, and my love for her. Absolutely. And see, having said that, you mentioned my father-in-law, Prem Chopra. He won't blame me. He'll be proud that his son-in-law at least fell in love with a beautiful woman such as Vidya Balan. Yeah? It's an obvious thing. He would be happy to see that.
अभी तो घर भी जाना है आपको ये तो बहुत कुछ बोला है good luck God bless you
खेल लेंगे sir क्या बात है
but having said that what a fine performance what a wonderful film Rajesh Mapuskar we are so proud to be associated with this film it is something very close to our heart and I think after the 15th of June it will stop being our film it becomes the film of the nation it becomes your film you all decide you all do what you want to do with it it's your right God bless you thank you
Me again?
Before I ask her to say something, I must tell you that as an actress, I have such high regard for this girl. Shut your eyes and think of Parinita. She was Parinita in Parinita. And she's done this Lavani in Ferrari Ki Savari. It's such a diverse character. and she's done both with absolutely extraordinary ability. So I'm really proud of Vidya today.
Thank you.
Such a range, unbelievable.
Thank you. And thank you for giving me this song, one, because it was my dream to do a Lavani. I would actually go around telling people, ki, you know, if you have a Lavani in your film, then please let me know. And I thought Lavnis, you know, were only done in Marathi films. So I actually went around telling a few Marathi film producers. But I was amazed to receive a message from Mr. Chopra saying, will you do a Lavani? And I said, yes, tell me more. And then he said it was for Ferrari Ki Savari. And I was getting to work with Vinod Chopra Productions, where I started my career. So I was more than happy. Then Rajesh Mapuskar was associate director on Lage Raho Munna Bhai. So there was a special bond there. And of course, the Lavani. So thank you very much for this song. I had a great time shooting for it. And Stanley, you know, God bless you. Because I think I really drove him nuts. And God bless Ferrari Ki Savari. I watched the film, and if I may say so, it's the most clean, endearing entertainment I've seen in the longest time. And y'all will all say that when it releases on the 16th of June. So God bless you all. Thank you. आता परफॉर्मन्स झालं मी ग्रीन रूम मध्ये हा मी आता दमली
तुम्हाला मुजरा म्हणजे काय माहिती
या आय नो
हा तर फक्त आमच्या ऑडियन्सला एक मुजरं करून दाखवा
हो करणार I've always wanted to do a Marathi film, and there's great work happening in Marathi. So, inshallah, something soon. तकरीबन 10 दिन रिहर्सल्स किए क्योंकि मैं कुछ और भी काम कर रही थी तो जो वक्त मिलता था उन 10 दिनों में मैं रिहर्सल हॉल में जाती और स्टैनली और उनके डांसर्स के साथ रिहर्स करती तो ऑल टुगेदर आई थिंक अबाउट 10 डेज 12 डेज
इरेसिस्टिबल आपका एडजेक्टिव है लेकिन बोल सकते हैं आप आगे Yeah, it was very difficult, लेकिन I managed वो पिक्चर में काम भी करना था उसी
और रात की शूटिंग थी तो शर्मन अक्सर सो जाते थे
अरे नहीं यार सी
नहीं मजाक
कर रही हूँ I was just watching her all throughout and she's saying सो जाते थे
नहीं मजाक कर रही हूँ
Vidya, have you ever come across any moment where you must have actually felt मला जाऊ दे
आता
I don't think we're a bad audience.
No, there are lots of moments like that. When you'll ask uncomfortable questions, I always feel like saying Mala Zaude. नहीं कद भी वही है वजन भी वही है मुझे नहीं लगता कोई डिफरेंस है
Vidya,
thank you.
Vidya, have you ever got your first ride of Ferrari? Like, whom do you want your first ride of Ferrari to be with, and have you already got one?
With Baman and Rajesh Mapuskar, and most importantly, Mr. Chopra. He's gifting me one.
On the 16th, please watch out.
I think I enjoyed this dance a lot. Of course, I've enjoyed all the characters I've played. But I didn't think I'd enjoy dancing so much because you see, I'm not really a dancer. I have to put in a lot of effort. But we worked hard, and then when I reached set, I just went mad dancing. It was fabulous. I hope you all can see that in the song. And yeah, just watch the film. Yeah, because it's the film in itself is lovely, and there's a longer version of the song. Thank you very, very much.
विद्या कई तरह के रोल आपने किए हैं, अगर एक्शन करने का मौका मिले किसी एक्शन फिल्म में तो वो रोल करेंगी? कोई एक्शन किरदार?
अभी सोचा नहीं है really. Depends on the script.
Vidya here.
Yeah.
I'm sure कि फरारी के सवारी देखने के बाद फरारी की कीमत में इजाफा जरूर होगा. I'm sure कि इस फिल्म will be super duper hit on a box office also.
Inshallah.
हाँ, मेरा सवाल ये है कि जिस तरह से पेट्रोल की कीमतों में इजाफा हो रहा है, आपको लगता है कि फरारी जो है बढ़ने वाली है या फिर आप खुद भी पर्सनल लाइफ में फरारी की सवारी करेंगी?
नहीं, I'm saying फरारी खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है, बार-बार जाके फरारी की सवारी देख लो.
लेकिन उस फरारी में डालना तो पेट्रोल ही होगा ना. उनकी कीमतों में जो इजाफा हो रहा है वो
मजा है. You'll feel like you're having a ride and yet पेट्रोल भरने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी अगर आप फिल्म जाके देखेंगे.
एक्चुअली अगर आप सिनेमैक्स में जाएं तो आज वहां पे 2 सीट हैं और देयर इज एक्चुअली ए ह्यूज फरारी. यू कैन राइड अ फरारी फ्री ऑफ चार्ज. करेक्ट समीर? इट्स एट सिनेमैक्स. या
फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग टाइम?
Malad Cinemax is a free Ferrari ride for anybody who wants.
For how long
Till
time?
the movie releases. 15th we'll take it out. Thank you. You're asking me?
Yes.
Yeah, 15th of June, please find out.
Okay, this question is for Vidya. You know, being an actor, Brickbats and Bouquet is a part of, you know, being an actor. Obviously, everybody has really praised, but have you come across some criticism for, you know, doing this number?
No, I haven't come across any criticism yet. And I will say this, that someone actually called me and said, you reminded me of the authentic Lavani dancers, yesteryear Lavani dancers, and took some names who I will not, out of respect, take the names off. But I've only received praise, and I'm just happy I did it. I'm happy for myself, and I'm glad people are liking it. Everything else is the icing on the cake. Thank you.
वो कैरेक्टर जो हमने देखा था, जैसा लुक था वो काफी सिमिलर है, पर हम आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे. वायरस से अभी शर्मन के डैड, शर्मन को डांटने से इस पिक्चर में भी आप डांट रहे हो, पर तरीका अलग है, उसके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे.
ये इसको डांटते ही
रियल लाइफ में भी डांटता हूँ मैं उसे.
પપ્પા
બોલ બેટા બોલ બોલ.
તમને સંભળાય છે?
નહીં નથી સંભળાતું.
અચ્છા मैं આપણે હવે સંભળાય છે?
બોલ આગળ બોલ.
પપ્પા
બોલ.
હેલો रुस्तम बैराम देबू स्पीकिंग. पप्पा हु स्पीकिंग?
તારો બાપ.
तो ये फ्लेवर मिलेगा आपको गुस्से का.
But every character is different. I look the same because I am the same person, unfortunately. But if you watch the movie, you will realize that there are two very, very different characters coming from two very different worlds. And the graph is very different. What is inside of them is very different. And what is surrounding them very different. I think you have to see the movie. For me to explain it is very difficult, but I try very hard to make each character look, work differently. Yeah. If you've got high blood pressure and you're due to get a heart attack, go watch the movie. You will live longer and a happier life.